Hello, fellow locksmiths. Today we are dealing with the complete key loss for Honda motorcycle, a ADV350K1ZN2. The equipment we need includes one KD-X4, KD motorcycle programmer, two dedicated matching harnesses, and a 12-volt power supply. This is the original anti-theft box of the motorcycle. KD-ZB51 transponder chip. First, we generate the program. Scroll down and click Remote Text. Select the corresponding program. Now place the transponder chip on the induction coil of KD-X4. Select Wireless Generation. Generation completed. Let us check the status of this key first. Hold to turn indicator red, induction off. Hold again for green indicator, induction on. We need to program this key with induction turned on. Click IMO Programming. Then we enter the Honda motorcycle menu. This one is 21 pin, so select 21 pin to proceed. We can check the wiring diagram first. This diagram can be zoomed in for viewing. 2 points need to be soldered, tools and RST. We have finished soldering them in advance for your reference. After soldering the points, connect the harnesses. Finally, connect the 12 volts power supply. Once all wires are connected, we can read the secret keys first. We have now read out 2 secret keys. You may take a screenshot or memorize them. Click All Keys Discarded. Then enter the secret keys we just obtained. Programming is now completed. We can read the secret keys again to verify whether the new key has been programmed successfully. This is the newly programmed key. You may take a screenshot or keep a record of it. Then perform identification and verification again. You can see it matches the previous data.